जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्.
ரமா மெனி மோர் ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ். நல்லா இருக்கணும், க்ஷேமமாக இருக்கணும், உடம்பெல்லாம் சௌரியமாக இருக்கணும். பகவானை பிரார்த்தனை பண்ணுறேன்.
ஹாய் புத்துல், உன்னை புத்துல் தான் கூப்பிடுவேன். நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள், என்னோட ஆசீர்வாதம் எப்பவும் உண்டு. லவ் அண்ட் அஃபெக்ஷன். தாத்தா தான் உன்னை புத்துல்னு பேர் வச்சார். பொம்மை மாதிரி இருக்காயன்னு சொல்லி புத்துல்னு பேர் வச்சார். அதுலேருந்து புத்துல் தான் எல்லாரும் கூப்பிடுறோம். அப்படி உங்களை பிரியமா இது பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்றேன். நல்ல உடம்போடு க்ஷேமமா இருக்கலாம். என்னோட ஆசீர்வாதம் முழுமையா இருக்கு. ஹார்ட்டியஸ்ட் லவ் அண்ட் அஃபெக்ஷன் அண்ட் பிளெஸிங்ஸ்.
जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे.
அம்மா மெனி மோர் ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன் ஆஃப் த டே. உன்னோட படிக்கிற காலத்தில் நீ இருந்ததெல்லாம் தான் ஞாபகம் வருது. மெடிசன் படிக்கிற போது ஒரு மண்டபத்தை கொண்டு வச்சுட்டு ராத்திரி பூரா பயந்துட்டு ராதாவும் சந்திராவும் எனக்கு துணை இருந்து அப்படின்லாம் இருந்தேன். அப்புறம் ஒவ்வொரு வருஷம் எழுதிட்டு வந்து அழுவேன். நான் நிறைய எழுதலை, பாஸ் ஆக மாட்டேன் விட்டு. அப்படிப்பட்டதாம்மா இன்றைக்கி ஆயிரக்கணக்கான பேருக்கு கண் தானம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். கண்ணுக்கெல்லாம் வைத்தியம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். அதை கேட்கறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. வணக்கம் ஸ்ரீராமுக்கு என்னுடைய பரிபூர்ண ஆசை. அம்மா பக்கத்தில் இருக்க அவருக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எல்லாருக்கும் என்னுடைய பரிபூர்ணமான ஆசை.
Hi Rama, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day and many more to come.
Hi Rama, welcome to the 60s. The 60s are the new 40s, so be naughty, enjoy life. Have many happy returns of the day. Bye.
Hey Rama, wish you a very very happy birthday.
Happy birthday Rama, happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the Seniors Club.
Hi Rama, happy birthday. Wish you a very very happy birthday. Have a great year and a wonderful life ahead.
Hi Rama, I refuse to accept your 60. Since I am 29 and a few months, you are 27 and a few months. All the others in this world don't know how to count. So enjoy your birthday. Looking forward to seeing you soon on your 28th year. Bye.
Happy birthday Rama, have a great day.
Happy birthday Rama, welcome to the club.
Hi Rama, here is wishing you a very happy milestone birthday. In fact, you're very lucky. Now you can start enjoying senior citizen discounts. I'm jealous of you. Having said that, I'm following suit very soon. Rama, remember 60 degree Fahrenheit is 16 degrees Celsius. So you can stay 16 always. Enjoy every moment of your birthday. Have a blast. I'm really fortunate to have you as a sister. Wishing you again a very happy milestone birthday.
Hi Rama, wish you a very happy birthday. Congratulations on the big day. It's been ages since we've caught up. Hopefully when the whole environment clears, we will see you someday in, maybe next year. Inshallah, take care. Have a lovely birthday. Bye.
Hi Rama, உன்னுடைய 60வது பிறந்த நாளுக்கு என்னோட வாழ்த்துக்கள், ஆசீர்வாதம்.
ரமா மெனி மெனி ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த டே. ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. காட் பிளஸ் யூ.
Rama, I'm very happy that you will be turning 60 on 6th of this August. I wish you a very happy, prosperous and healthy life. Stay safe, be happy, God bless. Good luck.
Hello Rama, many happy returns of the day. Have a great day, God bless.
Happy birthday Rama, have a good.
Hi Rama, wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. Wishing you all success, prosperity, good health and happiness in the years to come. Stay safe, take care. Once again, a very happy birthday.
Rama, a very happy birthday. Welcome to the 60th group. The first time I was very proud of you was when you became a doctor. I think you were the first one to be a doctor in Kadayam family. Congrats for that. Secondly, 2 or 3 times we have met and I have had very good times. I always felt you were a very affectionate and a graceful person. Wish you a very happy birthday and may God grace you with good health and happiness.
Hi Rama,
wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. I remember both of us growing up together as cousins, meeting in Kadayam for holidays. Also, I used to visit you in Chennai quite often. It was one of those days where we all used to get together and have fun. I remember all those days. Rama, you were always very poised and hardworking. And the one thing that stands out, which I'll always remember in my life about you, is when Mani Mama used to say, "Mukkena maikkardadi." That's one sentence, it always remains in my mind. Anyway, have a great 60th birthday. Welcome to the 60 Club. Enjoy your life and with your mom, with Chitti and
Sriram.
And Sriram, of course. And the children. Happy birthday.
So, Rama, wishing you a happy 60th. Of course, last time I remember we were in Salem and Sriram and you treated us for a lovely dinner in the local hotel. Really enjoyed it at that time. And of course, the previous visit I remember was sometime when I met you in London. We went to a play, and that's what I remember at that time. But anyway, wishing you a wonderful 60th at this point of time, and maybe we should all be around to celebrate your 80th. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Rama. Happy 60th, very, very, very happy 60th birthday. Rama patti sollanamna na nariya sollala, but what I really admire her about her sense of humor. எனக்கு ஒரு sense of humor ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அவ கூட பேசிட்டே இருக்கலாம், கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கலாம்னு தோணும். And then her straightforwardness, அவளோட ஃப்ராங்காக பேசுறது உள்ளபடியே சொல்லிவிடுவோம். நிறைய அவளோட கல்யாணத்துல நிறைய அவ கூட பழகினதில் மெட்ராஸ்னாலே எங்களுக்கு ஒரு மாதிரி நம்பர் 10 கணபதி காலனி நந்தனம் யூஸ் டு பி தி லேண்ட்மார்க். ஸோ அங்கே போயிட்டு ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக இருக்கும். அவள் கூட நான் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூடலாம் போயிருக்கேன். ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர் தியர் நேம்ஸ், பட் அவள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் மீட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். சவுகர் ஜானிக்கு ஒரு தடவை இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணி விட்டா, பேக் சைடில் இருப்பான்ட்டு. அப்புறம் அவள் கூட ஒரு தடவை கிரேசி மோகன் ட்ராமாவுக்கு போயிட்டு அப்படி சிரிச்சிருக்கோம். ஸோ அவள் கிரேசி மோகன் ட்ராமா பார்க்கறதோட அவளை பார்த்து நான் அன்றைக்கி ரசித்தேன். அவ்வளோ என்ஜாய் பண்ணினேன். ஸோ தேர் ஐ லேர்ன் ஓகே எவ்வளோ ஸ்மால் திங்ஸை கூட Rama கேன் என்ஜாய் அண்ட் அப்ரிஷியேட். தட் ஐ அட்மயர் அபவுட் ஹர். ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் எனக்கு. அண்ட் தென் இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக எனக்கு ஆஃப்டர் so many years we reconnected through Sanskrit. அவள் சான்ஸ்கிரிட் கற்றுண்டு இந்த மெடிக்கல் ப்ரொஃபஷனை வச்சுட்டு ஒரு 4 எக்ஸாம் டிட்டர்மினேஷனோட பண்ணினது நான் ஹியூஜ் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் Rama ஃபார் தட். நான் உனக்கு அது ரொம்ப அட்மையர் பண்ணினேன், அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணினேன். அதை முடித்து எது ஆரம்பிக்கிறாளோ அதை முடிக்கணுங்கிற அந்த ஒரு டிட்டர்மினேஷன் ஆல்சோ ஐ ரியலி அப்ரிஷியேட். Rama, நீ இப்படியே இதே மாதிரி வித் யுவர் சைல்ட் லைக் நேச்சர், யுவர் சென்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஹியூமர், சிம்பிள் லிவிங். ஐ ஆல்வேஸ் திங்க் ஷீ இஸ் லைக் மேபி லைக் அ ஃபாதர், சிம்பிள் லிவிங் அண்ட் ஹை திங்கிங் அண்ட் இன்ஹெரிட்டட் அ கிரேட் சென்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஹியூமர் ஃப்ரம் ஹர் மதர். சித்தி அப்படி தான், சித்தி மாதிரியே தான் இருக்கும். அம்மா கூட பேசுறதுக்கெல்லாம் எனக்கு தோணும் சித்தி மாதிரியே பேசுகிறாளேன்ட்டு. ஸோ நீ இதே மாதிரி எப்போதும் இருக்கணும் Rama. பி ஹாப்பி, ஸ்டே சேஃப் அண்ட் ஹெல்த்தி. என்னுடைய blessings will always be there for you. Being an elder sister to you, I give you my blessings and best wishes for a happy, safe, healthy and contented life. So Bhagini, Priya Bhagini, Rama, Shubha Dinasya, Shubhashayaha. வாழ்க நலமுடன்.
Happy birthday, Rama. In this life's journey, we connect to people close and far. On occasions, we know not the reasons for what they are. My visits to your house in my teens, with my cousins I have been. Your memory on that may be lean, but in mine it is seated clean. It was before I knew we would be related to, as to what the laws of marriage vows do. Then it was the occasional merry times, at festivals and functions to happy chimes. Later we had a one-to-one connect I relish. It was a bond that I certainly cherish. It was a 2-day visit at my place that your presence to my house did grace. We spoke at length through the night as insights about us was brought to light. An eye-opener to both of us, how similar our thoughts on life was thus. We had so much in common to share that we left no topic to spare. We may not meet as often yet, but we know that we can go from where we left. We sure know there's nothing to fret, as certain bonds are firmly set. Happy milestone birthday, Rama. Have a great life. Cheers.
Now, Putul joined the club. Putul is just 1 month younger to me. And we did so in many respects. I guess we are very, very similar. And at 60, you think back to when you were 6 or 7. And the time we spent together in Calcutta and then again in Chennai, Madras when you were there. My first memory of Putul, as we used to call her, was her coming to Calcutta. Tata completely enclosed a lovely veranda with bars, making the place look like a jail. And I objected and I said, "Why are you doing that?" And he said, "Wait, your cousin is coming, you will see why." And she comes in and she has no hesitation. She goes running through the house right to the veranda and climbs those bars. And yeah, that was probably one thing that I kept remembering for a long, long time, and I just recalled it today. Lots and lots of memories of my time with Putul, especially in Calcutta. I guess as we grow older, we think more about the time we were younger. The one thing I really remember very clearly is that as far as my dad was concerned, and at that time Chandra was not yet around, Putul had pride of place. I mean, he really treated her as a daughter and me as somebody else. And we used to complain about that for years, saying, "You just wanted a daughter, you didn't want a son." I still remember the tantrums you used to throw before and after every examination. You had this superstition that if you didn't throw a tantrum and cry, you would not do well in the exam. I don't know what the logic there was, but well, it definitely seems to have worked for you.
Hi dear sis, wish you a very very happy birthday. It's your 60th. Enjoy it. Okay, so now you're officially a senior citizen. Okay, so I can still remember all my childhood days with you guys, both of you. You bossed Radha and me quite a lot. Okay, so I remember every day now. I remember coming over for your 50th birthday too. Really had a blast then. Alright, so have a blast today too. Wish you all the best in the future. May you see this is your 60th birthday. Let's see, you are going to see your 80th and then much more and much more. And I hope you stay healthy, happy, and let's meet more often. Bye.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Rama. Wish you a wonderful day and a great year ahead. Have a blast. Bye.
Hi Rama, wishing you a happy 60th birthday. Hope you're doing well. We're all doing fine here. Wishing you all the very best this year and decades ahead. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rama. Have a great 60th.
Yeah, and keep smiling. The different varieties of smile that you give. The happy smile, the silent smile, not to forget the "I told you so" smile. So happy birthday. What is that? Bhagini-in-law. Bhagini-in-law. Sister-in-law. Many, many happy returns of the 60th.
Happy birthday, Rama Perima. Sorry I can't be there in person to celebrate with you, but hope you have a wonderful birthday and year ahead.
Birthday Namaskaram Rama. Although I've never called you Akka before, I think Namaskaram is due on your 60th. And 60 is not just a number, it is how you've lived these 60 years that matters. So I think of you as this loving, caring daughter, sister, wife, and a very hands-on mother, and now even a grandmother. So, yeah, and you've done all of this along with being a successful doctor and surgeon. You're this shy Chennai girl who blossomed into this confident doctor in the UK and made us wonder, is it the same girl who, ran from cockroaches screaming for her life? And now that the kids are settled, you've decided to take on Sanskrit and mastered it. I can see you shaking your head saying no, no, no. But I've seen the commitment you put behind any project that you take, and you really put in a lot of effort into the Sanskrit, and I know you will really, really come far with it. You're almost like Hanuman, I should say, where you don't know your own strengths. You need someone like us to keep reminding you of your strengths. Over the years, I'm so happy that we got to spend a lot of time together. So we've become more friends than sisters now. And I've enjoyed the holidays that we've had together as this sister holidays. I'm looking forward to more of that. So here's to wishing you many more decades of lots of new adventures, lots of new projects, trips together. So here's to you.